While I won't concede that summer is over, I know we're in an in-between season and it is officially time to embrace that in-between for your Autumn Girl Reinvention Glow Up. The long-form version of this, the half-hour juicy in-depth version of this drops Sunday 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube. But let's do a little sneaky peeky, okay? Number 1 are my 5 non-negotiables. Now here I am talking to all, but specifically my bariatric queens. My 5 non-negotiables. Actually, I have a visual for you. Ooh, how professional. My 5 non-negotiables. At the start of every season, there's a check-in, there's a reset, hydration, protein, movement, vitamins, mindset. It is the new year. For those of us type A girlies, January gets so much hype. Let's talk about your mindset and what a new journal or planner could do for you. Sadly, with international shipping, this has not yet come, but I ordered myself a new planner for the hype I feel about really motivating the momentum for my goals for the remainder of the year. And September really kicks that off because it's such a new season, right? There's such a shift between summer and fall, and that does something. It does something for us. This is the time of year to start thinking about what did you want the end of 2025 to look like? What goals did you set for yourself in January or whenever? It doesn't have to be weight loss related. It can relate to your health, but what overall goals did you see yourself accomplishing a year from the start, right? And now is the time to really buckle in, go hard, but in a soft girl era way. Speaking of your soft girl era, you need a signature fall scent. Now, I used to just believe in a signature scent, right? Mine was, with the rest of the world, Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. I still absolutely love this, but I have found that I have a winter scent. I have a summer scent. I even actually have a spring scent that I love and go to. I want one for the fall. I want that like musky, woodsy, but yet feminine scent. If you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments. But I want to spray it not only on my clothing and on my skin, in my hair. I want it to be my essence for this season. I think that's very soft girl. Speaking of this next tip, we are currently underway with it because tonight is hair wash night. You need a scalp oiling routine, right? We are going to take care of our skin, not just on our face. Yes, our face is what's presented to the world, but you are going to take care of the skin that lays deliciously soft underneath your cashmere wraps. And that includes your scalp skin. I want you at least once a week scalp massaging and oiling for a day, an hour, overnight, whatever suits you, whatever floats your boat, and specifically with either rosemary or botana oil, because those are going to make your hair thick and shiny. And if you're looking for a new hair vitamin, I have one to recommend. Out of my 5 non-negotiables, I will say hands down the one that I struggle with most is hydration. So I've started every day now with a loaded morning water. And if you stay tuned, follow along, be subscribed, etc., I'm going to show you what I put in mine this week as like a little mini good morning. I did film it, in fact, this morning. It was still dark out. It's very authentic. I took it to work with me, but I love my loaded morning water because I feel like I'm doing something good for myself right at the start of the day, which makes me feel both productive and like I am taking the best care of me. I want you to have your soft girl era candle for mundane tasks. Now, I have a get ready candle that every morning I light as I walk into my closet get ready space where I do my skincare, my makeup, my hair care, pick out my outfit, get my jewelry on. That's like my morning hype girl candle. I want the bougie candle for my mundane tasks. No scarcity mindset. I want the expensive, best smelling candle you have, your diptyque candle, to be for your most mundane tasks, meaning that when you are cleaning the house, that when you are putting away groceries, folding laundry, oh man, that is the bane of my existence. When you are tidying a space, doing the tasks that are necessary, but you don't really want to do them, that's when you light that candle because it brings you an extra little like oof to that moment. It gives you something that you might need to get through that with some joy, with some integrity. You could also pair this with like an autumn jazz playlist. What a main character energy moment. So it's time to get back to your non-negotiables and do something that takes care of you, that feels like you're slowing down a little bit to check in with yourself. And that could include any of these fun things. If you like these suggestions, you'll love the YouTube video, but let me know in the comments what's on your Autumn Girl reinvention list.